or hot.
I did say it was a hot take, but it's a good prediction. I like to have that.
Yeah,
It's
put that one out
now.
there. Yeah, keep that one
Yeah.
out there. Just dangle that one.
Yeah, it's out there now.
And about Mars, this week there was an unprecedented close-up of Deimos, a moon, a small moon of Mars.
Right, we got some shots of it. What did we do?
No,
did
this-
we point
this
the
Hope-
JWST at it?
No, the Hope Mars mission got a shot of it from as close as 100 kilometres away, closest yet image.
That sounds pretty close.
It's pretty close. It is pretty close. It is the minimal stable orbit of things around Earth, the minimum. So the closest thing, it will start re-entering pretty soon after, but you can orbit at 100 kilometres on Earth.
Interesting.
So check that out, because there's apparently a lot of debate about the origins of this moon.
Okay, who's debating though? What's the debate?
Scientists, nerds, absolute nerds. They can't.
Yeah.
So Deimos, there's another small Martian moon called Phobos.
Yeah.
And they're both mysteries since their discovery in 1877. So what's that, 150 years ago? Still can't figure it out.
What do you mean they can't figure it out? It's there, right? So they know it's there. There it is.
They know it's there, but they're like, how did it get there? So previous studies have suggested that the moon's composition, this is at least for Deimos, could be similar to asteroids because it's potato-shaped, as you can see from the image if you're looking at it. And it's small. It's really small, much like an asteroid. So that lends its weight to being an asteroid. Mars could have snatched them as an asteroid did a flyby and just picked it up if it went too close. But its orbit is almost perfectly circular, and it travels in a way that suggests that it was previously slowed by the atmosphere of Mars. So it could have been somehow a chunk of Mars. It could be Mars itself. Yeah.
Spun itself off into
Apparently
orbit.
there's lots of... Yeah, I don't even know that can happen, right?
The speeds at which it would be moving.
I don't know how moons are formed, but apparently this is just, I'm just saying, this is what there's heaps of, apparently there's numerous formation theories. I'm going to ask ChatGPT. That's a good one for ChatGPT.
Yeah.
Okay. What are the Deimos moon formation theories? Deimos is one of the small two moons of Mars, and there are several theories about how it formed. Here are the most popular ones. One captured asteroid. I won't go into its little... I pretty much told you what that was. A co-accretion theory. This theory suggests that Deimos formed at the same time as Mars from the same cloud of gas and dust that formed the planet. According to this theory, Deimos would have formed in a similar way to how the planets in our solar system formed.
Right, so just a bit of the dust.
Yeah, just a little bit of dust.
Bit of Mars
together.
dust.
To me, that seems unlikely, but I didn't even know of that theory until I read that then. Giant impact theory. This theory suggests that Deimos formed from debris left over after a giant impact between Mars and another object, such as a large asteroid. This is different from the captured asteroid theory. This is the giant impact theory. This impact would have thrown debris into orbit around Mars, which eventually coalesced to form Deimos. What do you think of that one?
That makes more sense.
That does make more sense, doesn't it?
But it's still talking about launching chunks of, the planet out into orbit.
Yeah, it is
wild.
But you could see how it might be dislodged then, rather than just a bit falling off. Like I was my crappy formation theory was like a piece kind of just got left behind and fell off.
Right. No, something smacking into the planet would make sense. Yeah, sure.
And then collision stripping theory. This theory suggests that Deimos was once a larger moon that was stripped of its outer layers in a collision with another object. Wait, how's that different from the giant impact theory? This theory was once a larger moon that was stripped of its outer layers. Oh, okay, so it was a moon.
Oh, it was bigger before.
It was bigger.
But it was bigger before, right.
Doesn't really explain how the moon was there to begin with. It just says that there was a moon and then it got stripped. Oh, but then it says this would explain why Deimos has such a low density compared to other moons in the solar system. The widely accepted theory is the captured asteroid theory.
Oh, there you go.
Well,
Close
that's
the
what,
book.
yeah.